This is just a quick update video to a video I made about 2 years ago. Um, I made a video about using a Dewalt battery pack to boost your car if your car battery is dead. So using one of these and how I burnt out the fuse. So this kind of goes hand in hand. So you can imagine what I did. I took apart really cheap jumper cables and then I soldered wires in. It took a lot. You need a big soldering iron. You need like a 240, 220, 240 volt. If I can get it. Need like a big one. This is garbage. Don't buy off AliExpress. Soldering irons off AliExpress are absolute garbage. But you need at least, like bare minimum, at least 100-watt soldering iron in order to do this, because the amount of copper that you're trying to heat up is huge, and even then I just barely got it hot enough so it would solder. But yeah, so I made my own jumper cables, and you just use these guys here. Let's see, a little kit. So just use these guys and just use some. The wire I used was from a car, just from my old car. It was just the ground wires. But anyways, you just use that and use some heat shrink to kind of coat it, but it's pretty easy. This, I did this for me. Obviously, I don't recommend any of you do it, because you have an extremely high risk chance of blowing up the metal plate fuse that's inside here. You can see the older video. I'll post it in the description. But doing this kind of shit, you can ruin a $100 plus battery, right, when you could just get another car battery for the same price, or a refurbished one. Where'd it go? But anyways, you just pretty much, it's labeled. See, battery positive, battery negative. You put it in like that, and then you just, put them on your car. It heats up a little bit, so as soon as you get your car started, immediately run over and unplug everything. So, but anyways, this is my cheap solution, because I already have these batteries, but it is bad for them. It's a lot of amperage drain to start your car using, so you need at least the 3 amp hour, preferably the 4 amp hour battery packs. Now, not just DeWalt, but Milwaukee, any of these lithium battery packs that are somewhere around 20 volts. Your car starter will be fine. Your car battery will pull this voltage down toward 14 volts, right? Because when it's running, it's at like 14.5, 14.7. So the 20 volt to 14, 15 volt difference isn't that big of a deal. But do not leave it there, because it will damage this battery, and this battery is not worth damaging, right? But anyways, this is an option if you don't feel like spending the money on getting a car booster pack or anything else. So anyways, with caution, here's something you can do. It's a lot better than what I was doing before, but thought I would share it with you guys. Just be responsible, be smart. If you by accident reverse the two, it will blow up this the fuse inside here, and then you have to take it apart and put some solder between the metal plate that's blown. So anyways, best of luck. Don't do anything stupid. Bye.